Hi everyone, hope you are doing good and having a great week. To all my returning subscribers, thank you for your support, and to all our viewers and those recently subscribed, thank you and welcome to this channel. In my last video, I shared with you my recent visit to the Singapore Mint. The Mint is now holding its mid-year sale, and in the video I showed you some of the items that are on sale, as well as the revamped displays at the Singapore Mint showroom located in Chinatown of Singapore. Now if you'd like to watch that video, I'll be leaving the link to it at the end of this video. Specifically during my visit, I went over there to purchase this figurine over here, and for this video I'll be unboxing this and showing it to you. But before we get into this, please leave me a like if you enjoy this sort of content, and don't forget to share and subscribe. So let's get into this. Alright, let me go ahead now and unbox this figurine for you. The figurine is housed in this red colored box and protected by this cardboard sleeve. Right on the front of the box, you can see the logo of the Singapore Mint, as well as the slogan, "More than just coins." Let me just go ahead and take the cover off. As you can see, the inside is padded, and here's the figurine. There's an information card that comes with it. And the name of this figurine is the Steps to Great Success. Here's the back of the card, and on it you can see some information describing the figurine. This figurine is actually listed on the Singapore Mint website as the Steps to Great Success Liuli crystal figurine. As you can see, this figurine is supposed to bring the owner excellent luck, good fortune, abundance of wealth, longevity, and flourishing business. Well, I hope it works for me. Anyway, I'm gonna take the figurine out and show it to you. I'll be doing this off camera because this is rather heavy, and it's actually quite difficult to remove it from this box. So here's the beautiful figurine out of the box. This figurine is rather large and heavy. As I mentioned before, it's made from crystal. And on it, you can see the design of the dragon right over here on the left. And just next to it, you can see the Steps of Great Success. The steps is actually formed in 3D format. And if I was to turn the figurine to the back, you can actually see how the crystal is carved. Very pretty. Here's a closer look at the dragon. And right below on the base, you can see the logo of the Singapore Mint, and again the slogan, "More than just coins." I first saw this figurine when I visited the Singapore Mint showroom in Chinatown late last year. It immediately caught my eye, but at the time it was retailing at the price that I just couldn't commit on. With the mid-year sale that the Mint is holding right now, this figurine is actually at 60% off. So when I saw it at the price that it was retailing on right now, I immediately went down to the Mint and committed myself to it. This is the first time that I purchased a Singapore Mint figurine for myself. I have purchased souvenirs and figurines from the Mint previously, but those were purchased as gifts for family and friends. I'm planning to use this figurine as a permanent display on my video back wall. I think this is a really beautiful piece. Let me know what you guys think, whether you like the design of this 3D figurine, and if I should use this as a display on my video back wall. Okay, with that, I guess that's going to do it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. I'll leave the link to the specific page of this figurine on the Singapore Mint website in the description text below, so you guys can click on that if you'd like to learn more. If you do have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Otherwise, don't forget to leave me a like if you have enjoyed this content, and be sure to hit that share and subscribe buttons down here if you have not done so. As always, from all my friends here, please take care, be safe, and have a nice day.
Mm-hmm.